To other news now, concerned this evening about yet another contamination threat in the Rio Cobre after a train carrying bauxite derailed with 3 carriages plunging into the river. The incident also resulted in a power cut affecting several communities in Bogwalk, St. Catherine. Janella Precious reports.
The incident happened about 12:45 p.m. Saturday. It remains unclear what caused the train to derail, but eyewitnesses are expressing relief that there weren't any injuries. However, the incident has sparked major concerns about potential pollution in the Rio Cobre and possible health risks.
Basically, right now, it's just disaster right now because as you can see, I have a light post with the electric wire them in the street and thing. You understand? So we have a couple work for do, you know. Them say aluminum in the tank, you understand? So a lot of fishes in the water right now and we can't even see them. So it look like them gone already.
Yeah, so
you understand?
Take up that quickly.
Yeah.
Mess up the river now. All the people in the Spanish Town region use the water and the room and leak in the river.
Right.
So you need to take up
but the greatest,
emergency.
Right.
So this thing is very dangerous.
Yeah, man.
A utility pole was also damaged, leading to power outages in several communities in Bogwalk. The Jamaica Public Service, JPS, says it's working to restore power. Traffic also had to be redirected through Sligoville.
We are also calling for the boom, for them to come with it to safeguard any further seepage into the river. Although they think it is in the river right now, as quickly as possible, whatever cleaning up action that can be taken, it is very important because we're just standing above Derailment, which is where the main water supply for Spanish Town and enters the treatment plant on Jobs Lane.
In the meantime, Windalco, the company linked to the train, says it is now working to get the carriages, which have aluminum substances, out of the river.
The only thing I can say, it will be a huge cost to the company to do whatever rehabilitation needs to be done, taking the cars out of the river, which we are now looking at how we're going to approach that.
All right. Are there anything else you want to say?
No, it's just that we are very sorry that as a result of the accident, JP's light pole was damaged, and I think that it's possibly that it has caused loss of electricity to a number of residents, and we'll be very, very sorry about that. It's one of the things that we wouldn't want to happen. This is just unfortunate that this incident happened today.
Officials from the National Environment and Planning Agency were also on the scene. Janella Precious, TVJ News.
And Windalco says its technical team is investigating the incident.
The cars have alumina in it. And our first action will be to use a suction truck to take out the aluminum out of the cars.
How soon you think, normalcy probably, can resume?
I am not able to tell you at this time because we're still doing assessment. And I think that within the next 24 hours we'll be able to determine what will happen in the next couple of days.
And it's time for a break. Stay with us. More local news when we return.